Hey everyone, today I'm going to dissect a meta ad of a personal loan and let's learn that how they are able to hook the right audience and are making them to click on their ad. So welcome everyone to the series of Let's Make Your Ad Better and let's begin. So this is the ad of a housing.com and when we see this ad, the first our eyes falls on this bold lines that says frustrated by complex loan procedures. So this is a very great hook line which is able to attract those people who are already looking for the personal loans and are going through a lot of pain, struggle with the procedures, right? And follow with it why they are making it easy and how they are making it easy. They have clarified those things by saying that hassle-free personal loans with a click. With a single click, everything is going to happen, followed with the 4 USPs and with a clear call to actions that says apply now. And the visuals are really great where you can see a boy with a mobile phone and the currency around it, right? Which gives a feeling of a digital process. Everything is going to be a digital process and they're going to get the loan. Here you can see the logo on the top right corner. So whenever you are creating meta ads, usually the logo is placed on the top right corner because already you can see the logo on the left corner, right? And finally, when you see the headline that says attractive interest rates and the primary text also says attractive interest rates, right? So this is also a USP and very crucial USPs, right? And this is something what they have not mentioned anywhere on the design. So can you tell me that why they have done this thing? You can comment me below and let me know that why they are doing this thing. And to know more and to learn how to do the marketing the right way, keep following me.